Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? In today's video, we are going to learn the most useful words like no longer, no more, not anymore, not any longer, not often, si kenshi, not always, si igihe cyose, not necessary, si ngombwa, ndetse n'andi menshi atandukanye tugiye kurebera hamwe kuri uyu munsi wa none. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikande, like, share ndetse na comment. Niba wifuza yuko tugukurikirana by'umwihariko, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number iri hasi muri screen yawe, asigaye dutangire tugukurikirane. Ijambo rya mbere dufite ijambo bita no more. Turikoresha tuvuga ku bintu bitagihari. Examples: I have no more money. I have no more money. Nta yandi mafaranga mfite. Bivuze yuko wayigeze ariko ukaba utakiyafite yagushiranye. There is no more food in the fridge. There is no more food in the fridge. Nta bindi biryo biri muri firigo. Ni ukuvuga yuko ibyari birimo byasize nta bindi birimo. We have no more time. We have no more time. Nta wundi mwanya dufite. Ni ukuvuga yuko twe tuwufite ariko ubu wadushiranye. She has no more excuses. She has no more excuses. Nta zindi nzitwazo afite. Ni ukuvuga ko mbere yari afite inzitwazo ariko ubu ntazo agifite. Ijambo rya kabiri ni I want no more arguments. I want no more arguments. Nta zindi mpaka nshaka. No longer. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni no longer. Turikoresha tuvuga ku bintu bitagikogwa. I no longer live in Kigali. I no longer live in Kigali. Sinkiba i Kigali. She no longer works here. She no longer works here. Ntagikora hano. They no longer talk to me. They no longer talk to me. Ntibakimvugisha. Bivuze yuko bajyaga bamvugisha ariko ubu barabihagaritse. He no longer smokes. He no longer smokes. Ntakinywa itabi. Yarariretse. The shop is no longer open. The shop is no longer open. Iduka ntirigifunguye, ryafunze. Ijambo rikurikiyeho dufite not anymore. Turikoresha tuvuga ku kintu kitakibaho. Examples: I don't like coffee anymore. I don't like coffee anymore. Sinyikunda ikawa ukundi. Sinyikunda ikawa na rimwe. He doesn't play football anymore. He doesn't play football anymore. Ntagikina umupira w'amaguru na rimwe. We don't go there anymore. We don't go there anymore. Ntitukijyayo na rimwe. Bivuze yuko mbere twajyaga tujyayo ariko twarabihagaritse. She doesn't love him anymore. She doesn't love him anymore. Ntakimukunda na rimwe. Bivuze yuko yamukundaga ariko yarabihagaritse. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni not any longer. Not any longer. Turikoresha tuvuga ku bintu utagikora kandi utazongera gukora. I can't wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. Sinzongera gutegereza. They won't stay any longer. They won't stay any longer. Ntibaguma hano ukundi, ntibakomeza gutegereza. He doesn't work here any longer. He doesn't work here any longer. Ntagikora hano. Yarabihagaritse. We can't wait any longer. We can't wait any longer. Ntitwakomeza gutegereza undi mwanya. Ijambo rikurikiye ni not now, si nonaha. Can you help me? Not now, I'm busy. Can you help me? Not now, I'm busy. Ushobora kumfasha? Si nonaha, ndahuze. Do you need to eat? Not now, I'm full. Do you need to eat? Not now, I'm full. Ukeneye kurya? Si nonaha, ndahaze. Let's go out. Not now, it's raining. Let's go out. Not now, it's raining. Reka dusohoke, si nonaha, iri kugwa. Not yet, si neza. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni not yet, si neza. Have you finished? Not yet. Wasoje? Sindasoza. Sindasoza neza. Ndi hafi. Can I go out? Not yet. Do your homework. Nshobora kujya hanze? Oya, kora umukoro wawe. Has she arrived? Has she arrived? Not yet. She's coming. Yahageze. Si neza, ari kuza. Bivuze yuko ari bugufi. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni not here, si hano. Where is my phone? It is not here. Check your bag. Where is my phone? It is not here. Check your bag. Telefoni yanjye iri he? Ntayiri hano. Reba mu gikapu cyawe. John is at home. John is at home. Not here. He's at work. Yohana ari hano. Yohana ari hano. Oya, ari ku kazi. Can I park here? Can I park here? Shobora guparika hano. Not here. It's restricted. It's restricted. Oya, si hano, birabujijwe. Not there. Not there. Siho. Not there. Siho. Is the book on the table? Not there. Check anywhere. Igitabo kiri ku meza. Siho. Rebera ahandi. Are my keys in the car? Not there. I checked. Are my keys in the car? Not there. I checked. Imfunguzo zanjye ziri mu modoka. Siho. Narebye cyangwa se nasuzumye. Is she at the party? Is she at the party? Not there. She left early. Not there. She left early. Siho, yagiye kare. Not often. Not often. Si kenshi. Do you go to movie? Do you go to movie? Not often. Maybe once a month. Not often. Maybe once a month. Ujya muri sinema? Si kenshi. Ngeyo rimwe mu kwezi. Does she call you? Does she call you? Not often, just sometimes. Not often, just sometimes. Ajya guhamagara. Si kenshi, gusa rimwe na rimwe arampamagara. Do they travel? Do they travel? Not often. They stay home. Not often, they stay home. Bajya batembera, si kenshi baguma mu rugo. Not always. Not always. Si igihe cyose. Are you late? Not always, just sometimes. Are you late? Not always, just sometimes. Urakererwa. Si buri gihe, gusa rimwe na rimwe ndakererwa. Is she happy? Not always, it depends. Is she happy? Not always, it depends. Ahora yishimye, si buri gihe biterwa. Do they win? Do they win? Baratsinda. Not always, they lose sometimes. Not always, they lose sometimes. Si buri gihe, rimwe na rimwe baratsindwa. Ijambo rikurikiye ni not necessary. Not necessary, si ngombwa. Is he the best choice? Is he the best choice? Not necessary, others are good too. Not necessary, others are good too. Ni amahitamo meza, si ngombwa, n'abandi barashoboye. Can I buy it? Can I buy it? Not necessary. Nshobora kukigura, si ngombwa. Do you need a car? Do you need a car? Not necessary, it's near. Do you need a car? Not necessary, it's near. Ukeneye imodoka, si ngombwa, ni hafi. Do you like coffee? Not really, I prefer tea. Do you like coffee? Not really, I prefer tea. Ukunda ikawa? Si ukuri, nkunda icyayi. Are you tired? Not really, just a bad sleeping. Are you tired? Not really, just a bad sleeping. Urananiwe? Si ukuri, ni ibitotsi. Are you tired? Not really, just a bit sleeping. Urananiwe? Si ukuri, ni ibitotsi. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment.